One more option given by financial institutions and banks is credit card. Majority of the credit cards are used for meeting the expenditure of lavish expenditure, maybe for restaurants, shopping, fuel cost, petrol and diesel, and other expenditures that is most undesirable to borrow. Credit card is nothing but you are committing to repay your future income also, not current income, future income also. Suppose a person is having an employment salary of 50,000 and he is having a credit card of 2 lakhs. Means his 4 months income, he is spending 4 months income in advance. That is credit card. So I heard that in Europe countries and USA, the average credit card limit is 36 months to 50 months income of an individual, which is more and more dangerous. So your credit card limit should be only to spend, to pay, to earn money, not to spend which will not come back. So the one more dangerous thing is every company is giving credit card, every bank is giving credit card. One individual is having 3 or 4 cards and having a credit limit of 2 lakhs each. 4 cards, 2 lakhs each, when it comes to 8 lakhs, he is borrowing 8 lakhs. Is it possible for him to repay with interest? And if it is called for at a time, is it possible? And what will be the image, what will be the position if he is called for at a time? Financials are having a habit. Once when you are flourishing, when you are earning income, they will give more than your requirement. And when they are having doubt about your repayment capacity, they will call the entire amount, not in installments. So be careful that they may call entire amount along with interest at any time. Be prepared to that. So not to overcome that situation, not to face that situation, don't go for credit cards. Even if it is available, even if it is possible, you will have a limit of only 5,000 or 10,000, not more than that. And one or 2 cards only, not more than 2 cards also. Because if you are having 5 cards means 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakhs. If you are having 10 cards means 10 lakhs. Is it advisable for a person? That is also used for spending. When spending at restaurants, shopping and fuel costs, which is not at all recoverable, not at all giving creation of any asset. So be careful, don't go for credit cards. Even if you go for credit card, it should not be more than 1 or maximum 2, and the limit should not be more than 10,000 for an employee who is having 50,000 income. And if his income is more than that, 10% of the income only, you have the limit of credit card. If it is less than that, don't go for credit card at all. Your self-regulation is important, and don't expect that the banks will take care of your regulation. You have to look after your regulation, and don't see that the children image or everybody. Children has to be brought up with a care that they should be ready to face any consequence, and they should be ready to born up with dedication, discipline and sacrifice service, but not for luxury, demanding rights and unnecessary false prestige maintenance. So if you are having less money, then only the family will be happy and they will be having surplus, and you are going to give investments to the next generation, but not the installments. Be prepared to think of whether to give investments or installments to the next generation. So avoid credit cards and less number of credit cards. The recovery will be more dangerous. They will use muscle power to recover the amount if it is required. Don't expect that they will be soft. While giving the card, the bankers and lenders will be soft, but when it comes to recovery question, they will use every power, illegal, illegal, moral, muscle, everything they will use. So avoid credit cards. You reduce your limits, you maintain only minimum limit that is sufficient to have maintained that credit card, only to meet unforeseen events, not for regular expenditure. This is my advice.